Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, Australian shares are set to open higher this morning, and that's in line with Wall Street's overnight surge, while firm crude prices on the back of a stronger outlook on top oil importer in China may lift local energy stocks. The local share price index futures rose 0.3%, a 31.3-point discount to the underlying S&P ASX 200 index close. The benchmark rose 0.1% yesterday. Looking at business news from this morning now, and Kogan.com has reduced inventory in warehouse by 39%. That's since June the 30th, from $159.9 million to $98.3 million by December the 31st. This helped support growth in net cash to $74 million by the end of last year. Gross profit of $62.9 was impacted by soft top-line performance, along with significant discounting to clear through the bulk of excess inventory. Gross sales for the half were $471.1 million, and that was down 32.5% on the prior corresponding period. Myer's total sales grew by 24.8% in the 5 months to the 31st of December compared to the prior corresponding period. Store sales in the most recent prior corresponding period were adversely impacted by those enforced store closures in the first half of financial year 2022, combined with the impact from Omicron through Christmas and stocktake sale in the second quarter. Conversely, group online sales were positively impacted during the same periods. Pleasingly, group online sales are still up 39.9% on the corresponding 5 months in the first half of 2021. And the Flight Centre Travel Group's senior executive Greg Parker will succeed Melanie Waters-Ryan as the Chief Executive Officer of the company's Global Supply Division. Mr. Parker currently is Managing Director of Global Supply Partnerships, and Ms. Waters-Ryan will continue to work closely to ensure a smooth transition when she retires early in the 2024 fiscal period. In his new role, Mr. Parker will report to Flight Centre's CEO Graham Turner and will be a member of the company's global leadership team. Well, now it's time for a short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from anchor to zero coin.
Hello, I'm Rachel Jones. Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Now, looking to the US, and the Dow Jones is up 0.5%. The S&P 500 is up 0.9%, and the Nasdaq is up 1.6%. Now, as you can see, the tech-heavy Nasdaq led the pack, boosted by semiconductor companies. Over in Europe, UK's main stock indexes closed higher yesterday, buoyed by consumer firms and miners, while investors awaited domestic and US economic data due this week to gauge the likelihood of a recession. Now, the Stoxx 50 was up 0.8%, the FTSE rose 0.2%, the CAC was up 0.5%, and the DAX was also up 0.5%. Looking to oil, and Brent crude was up 1% to $88.47 US cents a barrel. And finally, spot gold was up 1% to $1,927 US dollars an ounce. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.